So percent of change, that's what we're looking at today. And so percent of change describes the change, write the word change here, over time by either an increase or decrease. Increase or decrease. Um, if it can be solved using a percent proportion in which the values are plugged in into the formula below. So let's take a look at this formula. It's very similar to what we had for the percent proportion. Okay, it's the percent, which is a number, over 100. This time we're talking about change. Mathematically, what does change mean? What are we doing mathematically?
We're adding
Well,
or
it,
to multiply. We're
when something changes, yes,
what is that on top of the
change, increase, and decrease.
It's an arrow.
It's an arrow. Yeah, when we're finding when something changes in value, like say it went from $40 to $25.
Decrease.
It's a decrease. What would we do mathematically to figure out how much it changed? Well, I'm looking for something more basic. To find the change, just the change in value, you would subtract. You find the difference. We're looking for the difference in values. Now, sometimes it'll be an increase, sometimes it'll be a decrease, but we just want the absolute value and change. Okay? We just have to keep in mind, okay, did we go up in value or down in value? That will tell us if we had an increase or a decrease. Okay? And then the original value. This is the original value. Okay? So this is the formula we're going to use, or the proportion. Change can be represented by the difference between the new and the original value. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on this table together, and then afterwards we're going to get into groups and work on the back page. Okay, so use your understanding of percent change to complete the table below. Round all your answers to the nearest tenths place. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to start with this first one. A gallon of milk costs $2.79 in 2000. In 2020, it costs $3.98. So what would be our original value? $2.79. The new value would be $3.98. Okay, let's write that down. Let's find the difference. So what would the difference be? How much money has it gone up by? $1.19. You subtract them. Okay. Now we're going to set up the percent proportion. The thing we have to find is the percent over 100. And that has to be the same as the change in value, which in this case is 119, over the original, which is the price in 2000, which is 279. Okay. And now we solve. So let's multiply these values together. in a proportion. So let's see here. We have 2.79 x equals 119. Okay, so let's divide. And let's see what we get for our percent.
Is it 42.7?
Yeah, we're going to round it to the nearest tenth. So 42.7. Was that a percent increase or decrease, would you say?
Increase.
Increase, yeah. We went from 279 to 398, so that's an increase. 42.7%. Okay. So now I mainly did that one. So now I'm going to give you two opportunities to work with your table partner. And let's do the next two. Okay. Pizza cost. Frozen pizza cost.
What did you write for the solution?
Huh?
For the solution?
Yeah, the solution is the percentage. That's what we're looking for. It increased by 42.7%. Looks like frozen pizza costs have gone down.
Has? Yeah.
Yeah, in 2000 they were $3 and now it's $2.50. So go ahead, work with your table partner. Oh, it went down 3 to 2.50. What kind of change are we looking for? 50 cents. Okay, so set up your proportion. We're looking for, in this case, we're looking for the percentage. And our original amount, or change rather, the change is 50 cents. The original value is $3. Okay. So do we agree that was a decrease?
Yes.
By what percentage?
16.7%.
16.7%. Now, sometimes when it's a decrease, they want you to make it negative. So we'll just put that in. Increase, of course, would be considered positive. It's just an indicator if we're went up in value or down in value. Okay, so work on the last one completely with your partner. Yes. Huh? I'm sorry. Oh, actually, Turn around right now, but for the next part.
We start doing the last one.
Yes, the last one. Let's work on this last one.
Already.
Check with your table partner, see if you agree. You always agree. $10.65 for popcorn. Okay. So popcorn has gone up by how much? What percent?
29.9%.
So we can pretty much say 0.9. 29.9. So like 30%, right? Wow. 29.9%. So hopefully that's what we all got. Okay. So for the next part, we're going to do the following.